everyone! Fall has arrived, which for me means crazy weather from 80 degrees one day to 40 degrees the next. So we're gonna try on some cold weather wear from Castelli. Starting with this lovely pair of bib tights. These are just so soft. They're soft on the outside, and then on the inside, I got the fleece lines. And the padding in here, I have to show you guys the padding. So the padding in here, it's got different numbers. I think this is different levels of padding in the places. It's like velvet. All of this stuff that I got is sewn so nicely, and it's so soft. It's really nicely made. Okay, next. Then I got a vest, because you gotta keep this area all nice and warm. So this is a windproof vest. Zips up the front. I think this will be really nice. And with that, I got some arm warmers. Just in case, you can always roll these up and stick them in your pocket if you get too warm. But you never know with this weather. And I got some full gloves. These are really nice too. Windproof. These are gonna be great. And then if it gets too crazy, I got a fleece lined neck warmer. And this little cap can go right under my cycling helmet, just in case. Oh, it's got a little reflective strip on it too. I didn't notice that before. And then I got this jacket. When all of that is not enough and it's just cold, this girl won't be. We've got this. Nice windproof, perfect little Gore-Tex. Got your little pockets. This is gonna be so cute. All right, let's get started. Here we are in the bib tights. These are so soft inside, all nice and fleece lined. Nicely padded. They have a little reflector on the leg right here and on the inside of your legs. People should see you coming. They zip up the back of your ankle right here. And they have a little silicone line in there so it doesn't ride up on you. So that's really nice. Yeah, these fit really good. These straps right here are just so soft, so comfortable, nice and stretchy. The back is a nice mesh material. Yeah, this fits really good. And it's nice and warm, so soft. It's made really well. The stitching's really nice. And it fits like a glove. All right, let's try on the vest. And here's the vest. It matches so nicely. I think these are reflective too. It looks like it. We have, oh, that says it's Gore-Tex. We have the pockets in the back. Always handy. This has the silicone strips too. So stay down, won't ride up on you. There's just enough room in here so I can easily fit a jersey underneath. And this is windproof, so it's gonna keep me nice and toasty. And it should be pretty breathable as well. Should we add some arm sleeves? Here we are with some arm warmers. These are so soft. They're all fleece lined. They have the silicone strap in the top of them, so they're not gonna fall down on you. They're really comfortable around the wrists. They'll keep the wind out, keep you warm. When I think of cycling gear that's warm, I don't think of it being this soft. This is just like luxury. Feels so good on your skin. All right, let's try on the accessories, shall we? And now we have some accessories. These gloves are fabulous. They have really nice padding in here. And then they have the little strips so you can still work your phone or your touchscreen computer while you're on your bike. Nice and windproof with the Gore-Tex. And then this is the perfect little cap that goes right under your helmet. It's got this little reflective strip. We've got the neck warmer, which you can just tuck into your vest and then bring it up as high as you need. All right, so now, assuming that I have a jersey over my shoulders, this is some pretty cozy riding, but it still might not be warm enough. So if that happens, then we need a jacket. So let's try that on. And here we are in the jacket. This is so nice. The sleeve length, fabulous. This is like silk. It says Castelli for your arms. It's got the little silicone underneath in here, so it won't ride up. And we've got the pockets, the 3 pockets, and a nice reflective strip to keep us safe. Yeah, this is just so soft. It's crazy how soft this stuff is. It just feels so good. And it fits fabulous. If you get too warm on the bike, you can always vent. And you can see I'm wearing the vest underneath still. And there's plenty of room under here for a jersey as well. So that's wonderful. I think I'm ready to ride. We're ready for fall. I'll be sure to post the links down in the description to what I'm wearing and the sizes that I have on. Hopefully that helps you if you want to get any of these for yourself. If you haven't heard, I've started live streaming on YouTube. So come in, join my chat, and hang out with me. This winter, I won't be able to go on the trails anymore, so I'm sure there will be lots of Zwift streams in our future. All right, guys, for now, I'm gonna go hit some trails and rock my new kit. So you have a great day, and I'll see you all again soon.